Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec CX600M Trio PC case. So friend, Antec has announced CX600M Trio mid-tower gaming case and the latest edition of Antec chassis lineup combine compact design with cutting-edge modern style, delivering a jaw-dropping microATX case that is perfect for modern and high-performance PC. So friend, this chassis comes with dual chamber design, ensure independent cooling for CPU, GPU on the left and PSU drives on the right, and display your build through the top, front and side with seamless tempered glass panel, and the well-crafted CX600M Trio ARGB provide you thin ultimate unbusted view, and large amount of air is taken in through the bottom and side and facilitating heat distribution and protect from overheating, and the 1.5 mm fine mesh on the right side prevent dust entry and use the major case fan of daisy chain and the other two fans of ARGB sync and create your personal style and support of the simulation installation of 360 mm radiator on the bottom and 240 mm radiator on the side, and the stunning case is aggressive price at only $109. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.